Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher Chaihun's virtual classroom. Today we're going to learn about length in meters and centimeters. By the end of this course, you should know how to estimate and measure length in meters and centimeters, choose between meters or centimeters when measuring length and distance. Did you know that long time ago Asian people used their palm, forearms, and feet to measure the length? But this method does not give accurate result. In this lesson, we will get the length of some object using the non-standard units. So we can use paper clips, straw, and popsicle stick. So I will show you an example using the non-standard unit. Mary uses paper clips to measure the length of her dictionary, and each paper clip stands for 1 unit. Now, the length of Mary's dictionary is about 5 units. Another example, Tom uses straws to measure the length of his cupboard. Remember, each straw stands for 1 unit. Now, can you identify what is the length of his cupboard? Very good. It's about 6 units. Fill in the blank. Can you identify the length of the ruler? Good job! The length of the ruler is about 6 pencils. Pencils is also an example of non-standard unit. Another example, can you identify the length of the toy racket? Very good. The length of the toy racket is about 4 paper clips. A paper clip is an example of non-standard unit. Remember, we can use non-standard unit like paper clips, straws, nails, and popsicle stick in measuring how long an object is. Now, let's learn the measuring tools. So we use length to measure things like shape, distance, and our own height. Some tools you may use for measuring length, height, and thickness are a ruler, a meter stick, and a tape measure. So these are the measuring tools: a ruler, meter scale, measuring tape. So what is a ruler? A ruler is used to measure small things. Ruler usually have inches on the one side and centimeters on the inside. And what is a tape measure? A tape measure is used to measure how long or how big something is. It is used to measure a round object that are not flat. It measures in centimeters or millimeters. So we use the tape measure to measure the longest object. So what is meter stick? A meter stick is also used to measure how high or how long an object. For example, measure the length of bond paper. What tools we use for measuring the length of the short object? Very good. We can use the ruler to measure the shorter object. How do we use the ruler? We can use a ruler to measure the exact measurement of object. When we measure an object with ruler, we can put the end mark 0 at one end of the object, then we read the number at the end of the object. Try this. How long is the line in the ruler? Very good. It is 4.5 centimeter. Remember, we use the centimeter unit for shorter length, and we use the meter unit for longer length. And always remember, a 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So, if we convert meter to centimeter, we will multiply by 100. And if we convert centimeter to meter, we will divide by 100. Look at this example. So what is the appropriate measuring tools to measure this cabinet? Very good. We can use the tape measure. Now, if this is 2 meter, let's convert 2 meter in centimeter. So again, if we convert meter to centimeter, we will multiply by 100. So 2 times 100 is equals to 200 centimeter. So for example, we have the table. So the measure of this table is 1 meter. So let's convert 1 meter to centimeter. So 1 times 100 is equals to 100 centimeter. Another example, we have washing machine, and this washing machine is 300 centimeter. So let's convert this in meter. So again, if we convert centimeter to meter, we will divide by 100. So 300 divided by 100 is 3 meter. For your activity, convert the following. Alright, good job everyone. So these are the answer. Now let us summarize what we have learned. So we use ruler, meter scales, and measuring tape to measure length. So ruler is used to measure length of small object. Length can be measured in centimeter and meter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Alright, so that's all for today. Goodbye, children!